Hello students, this is an Algebra 2 two equations lesson. We're going to go through the four parts of the Fontan Relational Education method. We're going to start and end with what you know about two lines. So I'd like you just to think about, what do you know about two lines? What happens when two lines meet? What are the different things that you've thought about? And you have as far as research goes, there's a lesson plan that is emailed. There'll be a separate email that comes to you. I want you to go on the internet and look at solving two equations by substituting and by graphing. Now, of course, you can learn just by reading what's in the lesson plan. I also invite you to go and search. As far as developing the skills, there are the two skills here that are listed. They have some examples in here, and I'd like you to do those examples and then send the information to me. You can do it in two ways. You can either send it by email, or you can text me the information. You can do it as simply as just saying, I think the answer is, and each of these has numbers associated with it. So you could say, well, the answer in the first box is. You can do that. At the end of this lesson, what I'd like you to do is relate. What can you do with this lesson? Have you seen this kind of information before? And if you'd like to go a little bit farther, you could actually write out everything that you've done here, create a website, and you can learn how to make that website by looking up my if you don't know how to use a Gmail account, you basically get a Gmail account, and then inside this Gmail account, you can create and put your homework, whatever work you've done here in class, you can put it on that site. And then you'd send me the link to that site. That's another way that you can handle this. If you have the access to make a YouTube, you could get a YouTube channel and video your answers to these questions. That's your choice, how you respond. And again, we're looking to know what you know about what happens when there's two lines, when they meet, okay? When they come together. That's the focus of this lesson. They have a fancy name for it. They say linear systems of equations. Ooh, okay. So, if you decide to create a website, if that's something that you'd like to do, I certainly have some tips for you to do so. Basically, what you can do is want you to go to the website that is in the email link. It will take you to a video that you can watch to learn how to create a website. And if you're still stuck, none of those things work, just text me. I'm in a waiting room assisting my wife, so I can talk with you over the telephone. One person can then show the rest of you how to do this. Thank you very much for your time. I look forward to hearing from you. That's the phone number.